What's going on? Average Tech Guy here, and I'm a little late to the party, but today we are going to be unboxing my new iPhone 15 Pro Max. We picked up the natural titanium, and we got our first set of cases from TORRAS. So let's talk. Okay, so we got cases from TORRAS right here. We are gonna be checking those out in just a minute, but I do wanna go ahead and just get this thing out of the box and just appreciate how iPhone-y it is. So, all right, I got so excited. There we go. I wanted to talk about my box so bad. Now, I know a lot of people just gonna say this is a silver phone, but the feel of this is nice. I like that. It feels more narrow. These edges, super smooth. There we go. Love it. Now, I'm not a Apple fanboy by any means, but this feels like a premium device in my hand. I like this feel. It's lighter. Like, no lie, no joke. Like, I can't even. I'm shocked. I'm shocked at how this feels. But that is the phone. Let's go ahead and turn this puppy on. There we go. We're gonna crank it up, get it going. Let's talk about what we got right here in the box. So of course, I was hoping for a different color Apple sticker, but you get your normal Apple stickers there, just one. And then you get your nylon USB-C to C. So all rumors are true, everything is, and you've seen plenty of these unboxings by now, but this is my unboxing. I'm really excited about this and everything that this is capable of doing. So nothing else in the box. We do have plenty of stuff coming for this phone, so stay tuned, but I just can't get over, like, this is the best feeling iPhone I've held in years. Like, feels natural in my hand. Camera bump protrudes out, but you know, we got to talk about camera later on. Buttons over here, new action button. We got to try that out because that is programmable. You can set that up. I got to know everything that it can do first. Volume rockers over here, and the almighty USB-C to C. Oh my goodness. Finally got USB Type-C on the iPhone. Like it, love it. Ooh, beautiful. Once again, I am no fanboy. If you know what you know, what you know, what you know, I typically carry a Samsung device. So let's get this. Let's just start the whole process. Like, I'm not even gonna do this right now. Like, I gotta come back and set this up, but I do want to show you all the cases, the first case that I'm putting on this device. So from the company TORRAS, and big shout out to them, they were able to get over a couple of these cases. Now, these are UPro cases, and they are from the Ostand series. So the first one I got is the Ostand Guardian. Now, they are a little different. They look similar, but they're different. Let's see, make sure we got everything out of the box. This one is Ostand Guardian, and the letter O, like Ostand Guardian. This is what you get. You get this matte frosted back. These buttons, what I really like about these buttons, they're interchangeable. So they give you green as well as black. They come with black in. I'm an orange kind of guy. I like orange, so I went ahead and put the orange ones in there just for this video. You do get the TORRAS logo right there. Nice cushioning on the inside. It's very soft and supple, and you do get your They call this Mega Mag. I like the curvature on this device. I'm shocked. I really am shocked. All their cases are MagSafe, ready to go. Now, one of the best things I like about this case is, number one, it protects your camera. Now, once again, this is the Guardian. The Guardian also has a little secret. So you got your kickstand here, and once again, you can stand this puppy up just like so, but look at that. Kickstand on the Guardian just twists and turns around. You got everything that you need. Then buttons, nice and tactile, no issues there. Also on the front, military drop tested, and it does have a raised lip. So if you drop it, all case all the time. Say it with me, all case all the time. So you really don't have to worry about this breaking while in this case. 12-foot drop tested. I love it. Now, another thing is we got to make sure that the cable lines up, matches up. No problem there. I had no worries. Let's check out the next one, because this one right here is the Ostand Mat. Now, the best part about these Ostand cases from TORRAS is they're going to offer you maximum protection. So just keep in mind, military drop tested, 12 feet on all these cases. Let's get this cable. We got to keep up with this cable because it's a very impressive cable. There we go. Boom, just like so. Boom. Very sturdy. I like that. So you get standing angles, just like so, just like so, just like so. It's all the way in. Now, one thing about this case is, number one, buttons still nice and tactile. Now, these buttons cannot be replaced, so just keep that in mind. They're made onto this casing. Right there, stick your finger through there, fingers through there, hold it, stand it up, clamp it down. MagSafe approved. We got it on deck. No issues there. All these cases are really light, so you don't have to worry about bulk in your pocket. Protection right back here. Lenses disappear. I love it. Raised lip. You can see that raised edge right there. All case, all the time. This case is not slippery, it's not slick, and the sides of it afford you a little grip. I like that. Like, you get the matte finish here, but it's also grippy right here. I'm gonna drop links below. You can go by and check this out for yourself. Once again, this is the Ostand Mat case from TORRAS. And last but not least, we have the Ostand Shield. Now, this is one of the more protective in the bunch, and I'll show you why in just a moment. So the Ostand Shield, oh, okay. And when you get one of these cases, be sure and activate your warranty. They do offer warranties with their cases. All right, here we go. Now, it looks just like the matte case that I just showed you. Matter of fact, if I can take the matte case, show it to you just like that, they almost look identical, right? But if you notice the one in my right hand, the edges and the bezels are a little bit more pronounced, and you get a little bit more protection. Also, you get air cushioning on the inside. So when you pop that in, you do get air cushioning across the top, down the sides. Buttons, nice and tactile. These buttons, once again, do not come out. They're made onto this device. You don't get extra buttons with this one. Ring, super sturdy. Almost any angle you can put it at, it's gonna hold it. MagSafe, love it. Oh, so right out of the box, let's see. Okay, try it again. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so it's on mute right now. And I gotta figure all this out. Oh, there we go. So the action button right out of the box, if you hold it down, it toggles between your mute and your unmute. There we go. So I guess I held it down at some point, but that is what you're gonna get. TORRAS Ostand Shield. A lot of protection here from your air cushioning camera. Once again, the lenses disappear. TORRAS logo right back here. All of these fit with your standard USB Type-C cables, so you don't really have to worry about it. Raised lip, you can see it here and you can see it right down here. All case, all the time, no worries. This case probably weighs in at like 1.5 ounces. It's very light. You're not gonna have to worry about having bulk in your pocket with any of these cases. And all of these are very affordable. So go by and check them out. Once again, this has been my natural titanium unboxing of the iPhone. I got to do some comparisons. I do have a 13, I have a 14. Well, I have a 13 Pro Max, a 14 Pro Max, and now I have a 15 Pro Max. So I'm gonna put them all side by side. We're gonna check them out. But like for right now, no fingerprints. Like, it's lightweight, feels really good in the hands. I think Apple did a good job designing this one. We just got to see what's under the hood just to test it out and see what it's capable of. But more to come on this, a lot more to come. And also go by and check these cases out. Once again, this is the TORRAS UPRO line of cases, all of them from the Ostand series. Go by and check them out. There'll be links below so you can do that. But until next time, be sure and give me that big thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.